Good morning. I'm excited to share my morning skincare routine with you. So the first thing I do is I cleanse the skin. I start with the body and face cloth, which gently removes any impurities from my skin. It leaves the skin fresh and ready for the next steps. It is ultra soft microfiber that only needs water to cleanse and also exfoliate your skin. It eliminates the need for harsh soaps or cleansers, and its embedded silver acts as a natural antibacterial agent, keeping the cloth fresh and hygienic after each use, thanks to our backlock technology. So it reduces my skin's exposure to harmful chemicals, it supports healthier skin, and preserves the skin's delicate microbiome. Next up, I use our Brightening Vitamin C Serum. Apply the Brightening C Serum right after I cleanse my skin. I dry the skin off, then I use this. It combats premature aging, also environmental damage. It has some really amazing ingredients. First of all, the vitamin C in this is pure. It's amazing. It boosts the skin's radiance and firmness. It reduces fine lines and wrinkles and also dark spots. It has ceramides in it, which moisturize and support the skin's natural barrier. It also has vitamin E and raspberry seed oil, which protects my skin from free radical damage and also prevents accelerated aging. It also has hops extract, which I love because it lightens dark spots and decreases hyperpigmentation. So these are really cool, 100% biodegradable and vegan capsules, ensuring I get the right dose every single time. Now I want to let this dry completely before moving on to the next step. So next, I use the Rejuvenating Serum. This reduces visible signs of aging and improves the skin's elasticity. It has some great benefits. It reduces visible signs of aging, like I mentioned, improves the elasticity, and also brightness. It also hydrates and nourishes the skin. It is packed full of amazing ingredients. It has peptides, which are what is enhancing the skin's elasticity, niacinamide, which brightens the skin, glacial water, which is very mineral rich. It hydrates and refreshes. It also has Nordic antioxidants, which protect the skin and rejuvenate it. Now, next, I use the Renewing Eye Cream. I apply the Renewing Eye Cream around the orbital bone to help with all the dark circles and puffiness. I also use it from lash line to brow line. It's safe to use that way. I love that it reduces my dark circles, the puffiness, it smooths out those fine lines and wrinkles, and it also hydrates and revitalizes the under eye area because I don't want to put my makeup on and have that all crepey, right? So it has some great ingredients as well. It has glacial water, which is ultra pure, intensely hydrating and mineral rich, Nordic antioxidants. They are skin stabilizing oils, probiotics, which strengthens the skin's barrier. And I just love it. Now, next, I use the Hydrating Moisturizer. This keeps my skin hydrated all day long. It works so good. I love that all of these bottles I've shared with you are refillable, okay? Which means when I need more, it actually costs less, and I just pop the refill in here. Now, this provides long-lasting hydration. It improves elasticity and firmness, protects against environmental stressors. It also has some amazing ingredients. The activated glacial water provides that deep hydration, antioxidants, protecting against environmental stuff, probiotics, which are really helpful. They strengthen the skin's natural moisture barrier. Next, I use the illuminating oil for a little extra glow. I call this liquid gold. Now, you can add a few drops of this directly to the hydrating moisturizer, or you can use it on its own. This is it's always been one of my favorite skincare products from Norwex. This nourishes and hydrates. It has fatty acids in it, which our skin needs. It smooths out and evens out our skin tone. And you only use a little bit. You can also use it on your cuticles or dry ends of your hair. It has bilberry, red algae, black oat, which are all antioxidant rich. Also apricot, sunflower, and coconut, and avocado oils, which nourish and hydrate. Evening primrose, which maintain the skin's elasticity. Now, last but not least, I apply Norwex's Protect and Prevent Mineral Sunscreen with SPF 30, whether I leave the house or not. It has some great benefits. It's the best sunscreen I've ever used on my face. It wears well under makeup. It has a broad spectrum protection. SPF 30, it shields against UVA and UVB. It also protects against blue light. So it guards our skin from blue light from all the devices. It's natural and safe, free of parabens, oxybenzone, and synthetic fragrances, and it's safe for all skin types, and you can actually use this from 6 months of age on up. It's a very eco-friendly, vegan, and reef safe, containing non-nano zinc oxide and titanium dioxide. And that's my morning skincare routine. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this helpful, and I hope you have a great day. Bye for now.